Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a prominent Muslim philosopher, educator, and social reformer in 19th-century British India. He is best known for his contributions to education and his efforts to modernize the Muslim community. Sir Syed's philosophy of education played a crucial role in shaping his vision for the upliftment of the Indian Muslim community. Here are some key elements of his philosophy of education. 1. Emphasis on modern education. Sir Syed believed that the Muslims of India needed to acquire modern education to progress and compete with other communities. He stressed the importance of science, mathematics, English, and other contemporary subjects alongside traditional Islamic education. He aimed to reconcile Islamic teachings with modern knowledge, emphasizing the need for Muslims to embrace science and rational thinking. 2. Promotion of rationality and critical thinking. Sir Syed advocated for the development of rationality and critical thinking among Muslim students. He encouraged them to question traditional beliefs and practices that were inconsistent with reason and modern values. He believed that a rational and scientifically informed approach would lead to intellectual growth and societal progress. 3. Education for social and economic progress. Sir Syed emphasized the practical aspects of education and its role in social and economic upliftment. He believed that education should equip individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary for employment and self-sufficiency. Sir Syed established institutions like the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, later Aligarh Muslim University, to provide quality education and promote economic advancement among Muslims. 4. Education for social harmony. Sir Syed believed in fostering harmonious relations between different religious and social groups in India. He emphasized the need for interfaith dialogue, understanding, and mutual respect. Through education, he aimed to bridge the gap between Muslims and the British rulers, as well as between Muslims and other Indian communities. 5. Female education. Sir Syed recognized the importance of educating women and advocated for their empowerment through education. He believed that the progress of a community depends on the education and upliftment of its women. He established schools for girls and promoted the idea of educating women in both religious and modern subjects. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's philosophy of education aimed to create an educated and progressive Muslim community that could navigate the challenges of a changing world while preserving its cultural and religious identity. His educational initiatives played a significant role in shaping the intellectual and social landscape of the Muslim community in India and continue to inspire educational reforms today.